Just so y'all know, that's a pot of greens right there. We'll get back to the green part of it. And Chef Reginald Dennis. Why I call you Reginald Dennis? I'm just switching names and assigning you new family stuff. Baby BJ, go ahead, Reggie. That curry goat. We'll come back and look at it. Now this one here, I'm grown up this year. He doing a whole hog all by himself. He pretty. We gonna ask his name later. Big man's here, Liberia in the house. Bam.
Man, have some of your pepper corn.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, he's about to add that to the hash.
Need a little kick. Yeah, this way. Don't get too much. Don't get too happy.
Yes, that's
Oh.
it. Appreciate you, family.
Oh.
You had some before?
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my. Henry.
Isn't that hot?
They turning up the pepper.
Flavor. You need no something.
The flavor's good. Flavor's
Yeah.
good. Flavor's good.
Absolutely.
Somebody said it was smooth, but watch, she about to put that kick in there.
Yeah, because it was just too light.
And tastes better.
Oh. Ah. Oh. Before I forget, name and city of origin.
Devin Hamilton, Los Angeles, California.
Man, you flew in from LA for the fun.
Good time.
I love it. Y'all already know holding that. Oh, my. Oh, yes, Lord. Bubba doing his thing. Dropping pins in the house, yes. Jasmine's here too. How y'all doing? Hi. Oh. Now they've been working on that hash. See that? Man, look at that hash. Oh, man. But now I said you need a little pepper kit. They got some peppercorn over there. Oh, my. Would you look at Derek getting his hands all in the mix of the thing? That's what I'm talking about, brother. When you come here, show up, get your hands dirty in the mix. Now you got the right rice. You got a good sticky rice. Oh, no. You lost the morsel. Oh, well, go now. Okay. Cooper's taking a moment to eat a little something. Got some hash down pat. Now, y'all already know this how I go. This is sausage making crew, y'all. They get up this year. Cutting and snipping. Onions going in. They chopped up. Man, every grinder you can think of is already here. Ooh, I'm going to need a sausage to go home with this year. Just even one.
Ain't nothing wrong with the sauce.
That's just a little sauce.
Ain't nothing wrong with the sauce.
Not a
wrong with
damn
the
thing wrong with the sauce. Oh,
Ain't nothing wrong with
Jesus. Yes. Oh. All up there. Mr. Burner Boy, not a plate. Oh, what we got here? Okay. So have we decided what's going to happen with the sweet potatoes?
It's going in a stew.
No, they're going at the bottom of the actual raccoon.
Oh, it's for the coon.
When you kind of like braise the coon, those potatoes they form like a base layer for them. Yeah.
Okay.
The coon's already done, so I can
Yes.
pull it and just kind of tenderize it.
Yes. Oh, now we got any Texas toast? Coon stew, man, you need some Texas toast when it comes to that coon stew. But the sweet potatoes gonna make up for it. Yes. I'm waiting for the lizard to come back, man. See if he gonna bring some lizard. He does smoking lizard. Oh, would you look at this here? Glory! Look at them shrimp. Look at them shrimp. These some shrimp right here. Damn, them some big old shrimp.
Right?
Funny part about it, when they that big, I gotta work them down. I was in the house mincing some the other day.
Oh, wow.
And look at that there, yes. Hi, who you be?
You ready to cook your rice, Senegal? Your broken rice? Anita.
Uh-huh. Where you from?
I reside in Charlotte.
Okay. Okay. Queen City. Queen City.
The Queen.
Where your people from, as my daddy would say?
My people from Florence, South Carolina, right up the road.
There she go. That's why she gonna work that shrimp just right. Look, she about to do something. That shrimp right there. The shrimp ain't even going. Yeah. Look at her testing all the seeds. Oh, could have dropped. Yes. Jesus. Woo, hold on. Jasmine ain't writing. Jasmine cut. I got my boots on the ground.
What?
Yes.
Let him say that.
Yes. Oh, hold on. Y'all move mighty quick this year.
You're an upgrade.
I'm telling you. When y'all looking for sausage, you gotta find the kings. Look at that man pushing up. Look at that. I love to see men work. Give the ladies a break. Go ahead now. Oh, shove it in again. Oh, glory. Oh, so you didn't even use this one? Well, that's it. Oh.
Get it all ground up.
Uh-huh.
Then we'll season it, throw it in there, line it round,
Oh.
then put it to the side for packing.
Uh-huh. Now, y'all got your skins together this year. I know you ain't.
They got them.
Oh.
I seen them. They got them some of them.
Oh. Y'all ain't have no real sausage. Because this is not a sausage. Sausage. Oh. Hands on deck. All hands on deck. Somebody getting ready to turn it up. Yes, sir. Oh. That meat look good. You know when it got that good red stuff to it? What they doing with them bones?
It's like from
Now these
Sweden,
are
Denmark,
them good
Norway,
sweet potatoes.
Iceland, the Baltics, Italy.
Oh, the wisdom circle done shifted because of the smoke.
Yeah.
Makai's here. He just commandeered himself a thing, didn't he?
Yeah, just one of them little ones.
This ain't your store-bought crackling. It's straight from a fresh home. Y'all gotta know what it means to have good, fresh air country food. My God.
There you go. Where you going?
Oh! Yeah! Let's leave a little mustard. I think I need a little mustard. I need a little salt. I don't need a little mustard with it. Where is that sauce man from last year? I need a little mustard. Country life don't waste nothing.
No.
Don't let go. Yes, sir. Man. What? What the hell you got going on?
Coconut milk.
Why?
This is Thai, Indian, Jamaican.
No, nobody with that. All right, come on, chef. Show me what you got in the pot here. Just to mess with you. Yes.
This is the stewed meat for the pork perlo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They're selling their expensive houses there. That's why.
Oh, that's that red bean.
You gonna need more room in this right here? We can make it work.
I'm here for how you make your coon. Do you add sweet potatoes to it?
All right, Jim. You need to turn it up a little bit.
How you make your coon?
Maybe I should put more potatoes on it.
Go ahead, go ahead. Yeah, man.
Down, man.
Wow. Yeah. Woo-wee. Got the arm strength. Now what you gonna do with the rest of them?
I don't know, young.
Hey!
Nice.
How you doing? Man, I've been looking for you all morning. But I heard you were busy.
Yeah, Marvin said he was sending you on the side. What do you need?
I'm trying to cook that sausage. You want to taste the sausage?
Man, y'all trying to rush that bad
I'm gonna
boy.
get a tongue.
Oh!
What do you want to do with that?
I see fish. Oh, look how cute little spoon.
That's what I can find.
And that fish?
Huh? Brim.
Fish. See, it would not be appropriate without the proper shot of you with some greens. And see, your locks was glistening, the smoke was above your head. Go ahead now. Yes. Because when we're blessed that she came cross country to come and bless us with our presence, y'all just don't understand. Woo! Uh-huh. Smoky. That's right. That's that wisdom pot. Ah! Looky here.
Sneaked up on
Yes. Woo. I'm good. I is here.
Yeah.
Who that man is? Look like somebody passed her. I got the shot though. He lead with his chin. Go ahead, brother. I got you. You got nice lips. Let me stay away from some of these men. Listen, ain't nothing but eye candy. Ain't nothing but eye candy. Amanda's here, straight out of Detroit, and she look at God and understand mac and cheese and a curry thing. Yes. She be doing it for me. Oh, Lord, here we go. Oh, sucky. Woohoo. Yes, Lord. Okay. And there we go. He gonna crank it up. Oh my. No, the lewd comments I'm about to get on the damn thing, but that's okay. All right.
Get tired, let me know. Right? Well, if I get tired, keep working. Damn, nigga, keep working. Don't give a damn about me. Keep working, bro. Keep working. Don't give a damn about me.
Oh, look at that curl. Oh, yes. Oh, my. My.
Make some money. Oh, yeah, man. You got it going on, man. You can put it in the smokehouse tonight, let it drip dry. Smokehouse, man? Smokehouse. You gonna smoke it? We're gonna cure some ham, too. Make a ham and smoke something? Yeah. What's smokehouse? You do like you got a kid? What is that? Yeah. You got a kid, go and heat it up.
That's smoking that little light heat.
Promise you that.
Gloving up.
We got the guys.
Everybody getting more today.
Gloving up.
Yeah. We'll figure it out.
What's your Saturday afternoon look like? And them charters was looking good. Can I get a pig pea pearl out, please? I'm gonna have to go to Georgetown. No, either that or talk to Marvin again. Marvin's on that he made last time was pretty good. Yes, Lord. What y'all know about that? Geechee Eats 2025 Family Day. Turn it up. Now look at that man about to put that all in there. It's either them little ones you got to watch out for. He about to tear that up. Yes, sir. Hey. Hello. You know when you have one of those unparalleled levels of, I tired. Ooh, but a good tired. Oh, down in my soul. My spirit was lifted. Peculiar Pig Farm. Yeah, they had Geechee Eats Family Day, baby. Oh, my goodness. Such a good time. Thank you. And I saw so many people. I'm tired. I'm going to go let this YouTube movie put me to sleep. Because I'm deliriously tired and I can't do a damn thing anymore. You're just so giddily happy and tired. Night, night.